Hello, fellow trading addicts. This is your man here, Josh. How have you been doing? I hope everybody is good, and hope your trading is going well. Well, last time I talked about me letting you know a few side hustles here because I'm not going to do anything different from what I'm doing. I'm not trying to open a new chat, so I'm going to talk about both trading and other things that I'm involved that you can do and make money for you if you are serious about making money. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what I'm going to talk to you about. So yeah, this is some pretty good scalping that I'm scalping here, and you can see I'm just a little over 600 and so I'm going to close because my target is 500 pounds and I'm more than that. Okay, so yeah, I just want to show you if when to scalp and when not to scalp in the market. So when I want to move, this is how your body, this is how I do move. Okay, yes, so you need to scalp when there is high volume market. Okay, so I'm going to close my trade, and you can see I've closed it and I'm out with a profit of 661 in about 3 minutes. So I closed it already, but it's still going up. So that's what you need to do. Okay, so this is your market. Okay, trading is easy. This is your market, and you can see the sell pressure is right away from here. So when you want to scalp, this is where you want to look for the big volume. Somebody asked me, oh, I need a volume indicator so that I can know when there is more volume in the market that I have to stay or I don't have to stay. Well, you want to know, if you want to know when there is volume in the market, then this is what you have to do. When you see this is huge buy zone here, and when the market got there, that is within like a few, almost 100 pips in less than a minute, and it's still going up. That's what you want to know. So this, whenever you see this big candle here, try and you want to scalp, that's where you do a quick in and out, because that's where the volume are. There is a lot of pressure, whether to the, this is the downside pressure, so you could have got in here, right in and out, and you have a buy pressure here, right in and out, and you have a sell pressure here. You see, this is like about 20 minutes, almost 200 pips. This is what you want to do and you want to know as a trader. Okay, and when not to scalp is like this market you have here. This shows that there is no buy or sell volume there. The volume came here on this candle, so if you catch it, but when you have that break here, you can stay in for long and you cannot stay in for long. So this is what I want you to understand. Know when to scalp and know when not to scalp. So this is normally, this is the 1 minute chart as well. You can see this is the a lot of sell volume here, big, and the big drops coming, and look at it here, a big drop, uptrend and big drop. So when you see this big candle, that show you that there is a volume and the pressure, the sell pressure or buy pressure, as you see here. And before you scalp, also you want to look at the overall trend of the market, like where is the market going. This is an uptrend market, so this is on the 4-hour chart. If you have a good entry, you can stay in right to the up. Okay, and when you have the, this is the daily, so this one candle means 1 day, this one candle means 1 day. So this is today's this is where market open, and the market has come down over about 400 points here. Okay, then you can break it down into the 1 hour 1 minute chart. That is where you can use to scalp in and out. If the scalping is not for you, that's fine. You can use the daily the hourly also to trade. So know when to stay in for right to you know, up to the end, and when not to stay up to the end. Everything works perfectly when you know what you are doing. And this is the weekly candle here as well. So the same, you can see when there is a buy pressure or when there is a sell pressure. You can see them, those big candles. So when you see small candles, those small candles are consolidation candles. That tells you that this is not for me. You're not going to scalp here. So enough of this. Let me mute it. I hope you understand like what I was talking about. You can see the same thing is happening again. You have a sell pressure here, so you can really go in, and within 2 minutes, this is the Dow Jones. Okay, this is within 2 minutes you have about 70 pips, boom, and you are out. So that's what you need to do, and you need to understand. So let me show you the other side hustle, what I was going to do, and I'll leave you a link below the video. If you want to do the same, you try to do, if you want to raise other side money apart from trading. So I'm going to, this is Appen. Okay, so I'll leave you a link, and all you need to do is, once you fill your application, you fill whatever you want to do, you come to my project and you click all projects. So when you click all projects, you're going to see a couple of tags available to you. If you are interested to do the tags, you click here more. It shows you the requirements, what you need, what is needed, and if you feel you qualify and you want to do, then you click the apply here, and then you wait. Some of them, they're going to ask you to do a qualification test, and when you pass some of them, yeah, so you can see this pays $12 per task. This says will be listed. This is $22 per hour. So anything below $14 per hour, that means that they are minor tax, they are not major tax. So you can earn a full-time income here if you work from home or you don't have a job. Anything you target, this is about $14. Those are major tasks, and some of them will say per hour, but it's not per hour, it's just per minute. So you apply, you just keep scanning through. Some can pay you up to $100-$200 an hour, $90 an hour, depending on the task which they match you for. You can see this. So you apply for what you want. Then once you apply and you are approved, it will give you where to I use Appen for my pay. So they pay me through Pioneer. So this is my invoice. Okay, I'll show you how the invoice work. Those tax that are below $14, the invoice are auto generated. So I'll do one for you to see. Okay, and then those tax that are below $14, those are auto generated. Those tax that are above $14, you need to create your invoice. So you can see these are my invoice here. Last month I got about approximately $500 for doing 10 minutes a day work for report. So if you're working on a tax which is above $14 or $14 an hour, you need to create the invoice. So all you need to do is you go to modify the invoice, or if you haven't started and it's your first start, you go here, you click the create invoice, then you do it. Okay, so I'm going to do an example tax for, so that's it here. So you add a new row, then you put the date, you put the name of the project you are involved in, how many hours you've done, then you save the draft. Then they pay 14th of every month. So let me go to the video for you to see again. So this is what we're doing here. I want to pick something for us to do for you. Okay, for instance, this is New Holland News Survey Agency. It says 30-minute survey, but this really is not really 30 minutes. So it says click work this tax. It means you've been approved, you've passed all the qualification. If you don't see, what you come to here is the survey. Okay, then you look for New River content New River survey. So let's see if please follow the next step. So yeah, so you link to your Facebook because it's about Facebook survey. Okay, you link to your Facebook, and then you go to get started. Okay, so they're going to ask you a couple of questions about Facebook. So there is no routine answer, yes or no. This is based on your own opinion. So all you do is you just read and tick what you think. There isn't, this is depending on which survey you're doing, there isn't right or wrong answer. So this is all you do. You see, they said 30 minutes, but this is about 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes job, and they'll still pay you 30 minutes. And there are projects they give to you to do, and they say 1 hour a day, or it's going to take 5 hours a day, but probably it's taking just 10 minutes, and you do, and you still get paid for 1 hour. And you get projects that are major projects that are $14 or $20 an hour, and sometimes they give you 20 hours a week to do. So if you get this type of projects, 20 hours a week at $14 an hour, that's about over $200 average, in a week. And if you have 2 of such projects, that is 400 plus a week. So that's about 1,600, and I know people doing this full time making 2,000 and 3,000. I don't have time, so I just do a little that I can do, then that's me gone. So I'm just gonna show you. This was saying just 7 hours, but it said 30 minutes, but it's not 30 minutes. It's really about 30 seconds job, or at most 2 minutes, or 2 minutes 30 seconds, and you still get paid. And sometimes you get these things and they said do it every day. So this is minor project for 2 minutes, $7 every day, 7,749. That's $49 a week for just earning money on your Facebook. So you click that, and that's you gone. You see, and that's it. That's you finish. So you finish. This is the code here for auto-generated invoice. So you finish, you click the code, you copy, you delete here, you come back. So this is yes, because you were able to submit to do it. Then you come back and you put the code here, paste, submit, and you submit. You see, so thanks you for taking the time to complete this survey. That's all you need to do, and this is happening, and these are available worldwide. So depending on the response I get, depending on the number of people I see subscribing and liking and thanking me, I'm going to give you more side hustle that can make you good money from doing this. So remember, like I said, the scalping is always done on the short minute time frame, and you have to know when to scalp and when not to scalp. So you saw that, boom, ka-ching, it came back right here on under sell pressure, and in like this is 5 minutes, so it's like 5 minutes you could scalp again. Because I'm talking to you, I didn't take another trade, but you could go in again, boom, and you could have made another 5 whatever you make, about 50, 60, 70, 80 or 100 pips, and boom, that's you. So let's look at that again. Thank you, and I hope I'll see you again. Thanks for liking my video. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to talk about more money stuff here, and have a good day. Bye bye.